Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to perform slide maneuver movements on the Call of Duty mobile game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Call of Duty game on your device, and once the game is fully loaded, you might be asked to log into your account if you haven't done so already. After logging into your account, you will be taken into the main menu, from which you will be able to choose from various different game modes. Now, once you have chosen your game mode, the gameplay will begin and you will be able to start shooting your way through the enemies. Now, there are various different movement controls for your character, such as walking in normal speed when you use the D-pad that is displayed in the bottom left section of your game. Now, you can also move around the screen to look around using your character. There are also various different options alongside the shoot button at the right section of the game, from which you can shoot your weapon and you can jump as well. Now, if you wish to perform a slide maneuver, then you will need to be in the running position first. You can find a crouch icon underneath the shoot icon at the right side, and this is the button that you will need to press while your character is running. So start running with your character, and as you are running, just tap on this icon. And now your character will perform the slide maneuver. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to perform the slide maneuver on the Call of Duty game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.